The height of a right circular cylinder is 1 less than half the radius. The volume of the cylinder is 720 pi cubic centimeters. Find the radius and the height. To begin, let's label the radius of the cylinder, which would be this segment here. And we're told the height is 1 less than half the radius. Half the radius is 1/2 r. 1 less than half the radius is 1/2 r minus 1. We know the height equals 1/2 r minus 1. We also know the volume is 720 pi cubic centimeters. The volume of a right circular cylinder equals the area of the base times the height, where the area of the base is a circle, which indicates the volume is equal to pi r squared h. And now let's perform substitution. We know the volume is 720 pi cubic centimeters equals pi times r squared times the height, which we know is 1/2 r minus 1. We're going to solve this equation graphically. We could divide both sides by pi, but I'm going to go ahead and leave pi in the equation. Let's set the left side equal to 0 by subtracting 720 pi on both sides of the equation. This gives us 0 equals pi r squared times the quantity 1/2 r minus 1 minus 720 pi. And now to solve this graphically, we'll enter y equals the right side of the equation in Desmos, because we're looking for the values of r that make the right side of the equation equal to 0. We'll be looking for the values of r where y is 0, which will be the r-intercepts or horizontal intercepts of the graph. And now let's go to Desmos. I've already entered y equals pi times r squared times the quantity 1/2 r minus 1 minus 720 pi. Again, we're looking for the values of r where y is 0, which will be the r-intercepts or horizontal intercepts. Notice right now we can't see any parts of the graph, so we'll go ahead and zoom out by clicking the minus. While we don't have a nice view of the entire graph, we do see the horizontal intercept, which is all we need. Notice the horizontal intercept or r-intercept is 12, 0. r equals 12 is the solution to the equation. Going back to our work, we now know the solution to the equation is r equals 12, and r is equal to the radius. We now know the radius is 12 centimeters. In order to find the height, we need to use our equation h equals 1/2 r minus 1, which gives us the height is equal to 1/2 times 12 minus 1. Half of 12 is 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. We now know the height is 5 centimeters. I hope you found this helpful.